Do you need a special kick in the pants to help you get motivated towards your fitness goals? Do you want to get in shape but really don't know where to start? Stay tuned. I have my top 5 tips. 5 plus one special one if you stick around to the end, to help you get motivated towards reaching your fitness goals. Coming right up after this. What's up, y'all? Eric Moultrie here with Code Red Conversations. Thanks for checking me out. As always, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you don't miss out on any of my weekly content. Before you get involved in any physical fitness activity or any level of physical fitness activity, make sure you check with your doctor. We're gonna jump right into things, guys. First point, do you have a big enough why? Or what is your why? Why do you want to get fit? Why do you feel the need to get fit? We can go on and on. This could be a category in and of itself. Or I could do a video on this topic alone. Is it you want to live a long, healthy, prosperous life to the best of your ability? Do you want to be able to play with your kids? Are you seeking to get fit and healthy so that you can protect your family better? Do you have a desire to join the military or become a police officer? Or become a better officer? All those are great factors, guys, but they need to be clearly defined. Now, many of these points are going to overlap and they're going to crisscross, so bear with me there. Which brings me to point number 2, have some established goals, written down, put them on paper. Where do you want to be in 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, a year, 2 years? Are you wanting to run a marathon? Are you wanting to do a Tough Mudder? Do you have a police academy coming up next year? Do you want to reach a certain weight? Do you want to reach a certain body fat percentage? Do you want to be able to lift a specific weight, run a specific distance or speed? Research shows that those that write down their goals in the long term, when evaluated years and months down the road, have a much greater likelihood of actually accomplishing their goals. So write them down, put them on paper, tell someone about it. So you've developed your why, you got your goals written down. What's the next step? Step number 3, make your fitness goals a priority. Make time for it. There's an old adage that says, if it's important to you, you'll make time for it. There's no difference when it comes to your fitness. Regardless of how many times a week you plan on working out, whether it's 3, 4, 5 days a week, have scheduled times for your workouts. If you need to get up early, figure out exactly what time. If it means you have to go to bed early, then go to bed early is what you have to do. Put yourself in a position for success, not failure. Next tip, if you're just getting into fitness after a long layoff, or this is the first time you decided to devote time, start small. Don't overdo it. The last thing you want to do is jump into a routine that's too hard or too intense to where you get burned out or you set yourself up for injury. Start with 3 days a week or so and build up from there. If all you can do is walk, or all you can do is just move around, then do it. Even if it's only a couple of minutes. Anything is better than nothing. Tip number 5, the internet can be your friend. Yeah, I actually said that. Back in the day when I first started training, we had magazines, and you were lucky if you had someone who knew what they were doing who could coach you along the way. But magazines was my main avenue of learning how to work out. Today you have YouTube, you have CrossFit.com, you have bodybuilding.com. Everything is available for you at the touch of your fingers. Say you want to look for an exercise program for beginners, you can easily find it for free. But if you want to have a routine that's tailored specifically to you, you may want to search for a coach. If you have any questions about fitness, I have a pretty good background in fitness. I used to be a trainer also where I have my own business. I'll help you out to the best of my ability. But use what's available to you. You can learn everything you need to know. How to lift, what to lift, proper form, proper technique, everything is available. All you have to do is go after it. And my bonus tip for those of you that have stuck around to the end, the bonus tip is to be patient. Understand and remember that getting into shape is a process and a journey, and it doesn't happen overnight. So don't lose heart. Stay focused and you'll get to where you want to be. Just keep working. So there you have it, folks. My top 5 tips for getting in shape, plus one bonus tip. Now I'd like to hear from you. What do you use to stay motivated or focused? I'd love to know. I'm sure some of my other followers would like to know. So feel free to comment below. Give us your tips or ideas. Tell me what's helped you over the years. Once again, if you like what I have to say, hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And until next time, God bless, stay safe, and don't forget to join the conversation.